Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now, I lose.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I will really appreciate that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this Pixie cut wig that I'm wearing right now. And it's actually my first time of doing a Pixie cut. I just wanted to try something different, so I came up with the idea of this wig. At first, I was a little bit unsure of myself. I didn't really think I would be able to do this wig, but I just decided to try it, and I really love how it came out. I don't know, even though the wig is not perfect, but it's beautiful and I really love it. So if you want to know how I achieved this wig, please keep on watching. After watching this video, if you love it, please give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you so much, and let's get started. Now to start, I'm going to go ahead and place my wig cap on the head of the mannequin. I'm using the size medium because this is my perfect size. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's called Beauty Afro B. I bought this hair in 2 packets, but I use 1.5 packet to make this wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and start installing the hair, starting right from the bottom. Starting from this place at the front, I'm going to go ahead and start taking the hair round and round and round until I get to the last point in the middle, then I'm going to close it. So now that I am done installing the hair, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting and trimming. I'm going to use the razor blade comb and my clipper to do that. I'm going to continue cutting and trimming until I get the style and the shape that I want. And while doing this, make sure you are concentrate so that you don't get the shape wrong. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I think you're my subsistence. Hey, you.